Court calls the matter of Santiago versus Rector, case number 2017-5660 DC. All parties and attorneys can please state their name and appearance of the record, starting with the plaintiff's attorney, Ms. Ootman.
Good morning or good afternoon. It's been a long day already. Lisa Ootman here on behalf of the plaintiff, Mr. Chappelle Santiago.
And Daniel Fricky, attorney for defendant Heather Rector.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's date and time set for a hearing due to the pandemic. Supreme Court and Chief Judge have decided to do these matters by remote technology. The contents of this video may be the official record of a proceeding of the state of Michigan's 9th Judicial Circuit. Unauthorized duplication, distribution, or alteration of said content is strictly prohibited. Today's date and time set for a motion to show cause. That matter was filed May 7th. I received the response this afternoon, earlier today. This matter is also set, my understanding, for 2 days, June 2nd and 3rd, for a custody hearing with referee pro cunior. I'm inclined to set this show cause, since there's no request for criminal contempt, with referee pro cunior, because it sounds like she's going to hear most of it anyway. And rather than delay this 2 or 3 months till I can fit it on my docket. What is your position with regards to that, Ms. Ootman?
I would not be opposed to referee procurator being the one to hear all the evidence, obviously, and come to a decision. I wanted the court to be aware of where we stood, which is why I filed this show cause. But if you choose to adjourn it to tomorrow, I have no objection to that.
Mr. Fricky, your position.
With the filing date of the show cause motion and the date of the entry of an interim order on April 12, 2021, my position is that this, for the record, is that the show cause is moot. However, I have no objection to the court deferring it to referee for the reasons the court stated on the record.
Okay. And through negotiations, through going through the hearing with the referee, the parties may agree it is moot or may agree to something completely different. But it sounds like through the referee's scheduled hearing, she's going to hear all the same stuff. So rather than delay this 2 or 3 months, I will move this down to referee pro cunior. She will hear all the proofs with regards to her custody matters, and it sounds like a lot of the issues will be brought up that were in the motion to show cause. And I'll allow her to make that termination. And just so the parties are aware, I know the attorneys are, that on all issues, whenever a referee makes their decision, either party can appeal it to a judge at that point. But at this time, I'll just set it downstairs. Everyone's waiving notice, and it'll start up tomorrow, June 2nd and June 3rd with referee pro junior. All prior orders remain in effect. Any questions from anybody or any comments by any of the attorneys?
No, Your Honor, not at this time.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, I will make sure, because sometimes things get slow. It's not my staff's fault. It's not downstairs' fault, but we're still in a pandemic situation. I'll make sure referee pro junior is directly emailed both the motion and the response, so there's no lapse in getting it on the computer for her tomorrow.
Sounds
All
good.
right.
Thank you.
Good luck tomorrow, everybody, and we will be adjourned.
Thank you.